Follow these steps to fix mobile data not working on iPhone iOS 18. Ensure cellular data is enabled. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option Mobile or Cellular. Confirm that cellular data is turned on. Scroll down to ensure individual apps are permitted to use cellular data. Next, update carrier settings. For that, navigate to the option General, click on About. If an update is available, a prompt will appear to install the latest carrier settings. Next, head back, enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Restart your device. Press and hold the side or top button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone. After the device turns off, press and hold the side or top button again until the Apple logo appears. Likewise, reset network settings. For that, navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. This will reset Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN APN settings. Next thing you have to do is remove and reinsert SIM card. Eject the SIM card using a SIM ejector tool or paper clip. Wait a moment, then reinsert the SIM card securely. Likewise, disable VPN. To check that, go to the option General, scroll down, navigate to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Next, update your iOS. For that, navigate to the option Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your iOS to its latest version. If the issue persists, reach out to your mobile service provider to check for network outages or account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with mobile data not working on your iPhone after iOS 18 update. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.